it's Libby, and today's video is going to be a Romwe unboxing, try on, first impression haul. If you guys like these type of videos, make sure you give it a big thumbs up to it. I love filming Romwe videos and I thought it was overdue. We needed another one. I kind of don't remember what I got, but that is what makes it fun. All I know is that this package has been in my room for like the past week and I'm just like, hey girl, I really want to open that. Can we open it? And I couldn't because I wanted to film it for you guys. So today we are ready, we are excited. So if you guys are interested in this Romwe unboxing, keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I see are sweatpants, and ironic because we love a good sweatpant. Okay, so these are what they look like. Honestly, I've just been more on like the loungy mood with my attire. And so I thought, you know, just a cute pair of oh my gosh, these are soft. Cute pair of sweatpants would be great. Okay, so this is what they look like. They're literally gray, and then they just have a stripe that is blue and white and red. And I mean, they get a little tight at the bottom. Honestly, okay, a little softer than I expected. Let's just try them on. There's really not much to say about them besides they're literally just sweatpants. So give me a sec. It's actually really soft. I love soft sweatpants. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are just like very simple and very cute and very loungy. Let me get closer to you guys so you guys can see. Okay, here we are with the sweatpants. I like these. Let me show you without falling. They do get a little bit tighter at the bottom. I do kind of wish maybe they were a little bit longer, but I don't think it's that big of a deal because they also do like scrunch up at the bottom. How about it? They're just a really good pair of easy sweatpants. So, okay, not bad. What is our next thing? What are you? It's a crop top. Wait, I could wear this together. Oh my gosh, I think it's a crop top. I literally forgot the things I ordered, but I'm super excited because I'm like, oh wait, I actually like that. Duh. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I got it in an extra large apparently. Sounds like me. It just says USA and it says New York. Honestly, I think I got this because it kind of reminded me like of a Brandy Melville type of top, like very simple but very cute and classics. So, you know, not much to say. Let's try it on. Okay guys, like I actually love this. It's super comfortable, it's super cute. It's the look that I was going for, like very simple, but like could wear it with sweatpants. Like, I'm about it. I love it, and I don't know what else to say. It kind of does its job. I'm really glad that I got it in such a large size just because like that's the look that I go for and that's what I find comfort in. Like, extra large, hit me up. Do we have next? I like how all these things say like Shein on it too, like same distributor. Okay, I know exactly what this is. Okay, so it's a very, very oversized shirt, and it's like a little rock and roll shirt. I know this was like a very like trendy thing a couple of years ago, like a year or two ago, but I'm still really into them. I like big oversized shirts. Honestly, I might have messed up and this might be like way too big, but like let's see what happens. It has like a little v-neck and then it has a little neck area. So yeah, I mean, this is what it looks like. Let's try this on. I finally might have accidentally messed up with the whole sizing. I feel like this is a tad bit too big, but knowing me, I definitely ordered this in a super large size for me and my body. So I don't really know how to feel about it. Like, I do think it's cute. I just think I messed up on the size because like literally the sleeve goes past my elbow and I don't think it's supposed to do that. And I feel like the neck of it looks a little loose, but maybe I'm wrong. Like, let me know what you guys think. I definitely think I would have loved this shirt if I got a smaller size, but this is definitely like the look that I was going for, just maybe not as like loose. But I don't know, like I don't hate it. I don't think I love it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Can you tell me in the comments down below? No, I don't like how that feels though. Okay. So, and it looks like it could be very see-through. I've been wanting a like turtleneck type of shirt for the longest time, and honestly, like I've ordered some like from different places and I just can't find one I like, and I don't even know if I'm gonna like this one because I don't know how I feel about this material. It's very like, I don't know, like this. I don't even know how to describe it. What are you made of, do you say? It's 6% spandex and 94% polyester. I don't love how this feels. Maybe I'll feel differently when I actually have it on my body. And I am kind of worried about it being see-through. I don't really know. But it does have like the really cute like ruffly details at the bottom and on the sleeve. So let's not judge it. Let's just see what it looks like. Let's go ahead and try this one on. Okay, actually, I am pleasantly surprised by this. I do think it's cute and it's a lot softer than I thought it would be, but I do kind of feel like it is a slight bit see-through still, so I feel like if I wore this with like a dress over top of it, which is what I wanted to do to begin with, I think it would look great. I just don't think I would wear this shirt like by itself like this with a pair of jeans or anything. But I kind of actually recommend it. Like, I'm a little shook. I thought I was not gonna like it, and I actually like it, so hey. Wow, look at that. Another black item. We're thriving. Can you tell my mood? Clothing matches my soul, like actually. What are you? Oh, girl, I'm so proud of me. I haven't been able to remember what I've gotten, and so like this is like a really nice, pleasant surprise. But I got a like little ribbed skirt. It's just a black one. If you guys remember, I had my Forever 21 haul and I got a skirt similar to this, but it was cheetah and I actually really liked it. So I was like, you know what, girl? And there's a little cute slip. I might wear this tonight, but it's just a really cute like little dress, skirt. I feel like, ooh, we can do a look with this. Okay, let me try this on. Excited. Guys, I like love this skirt. I feel so good. I feel so confident in it. I put on a different like shirt. I probably would not wear this shirt with this skirt. I just literally didn't know what shirt to put on it yet because I haven't had a chance to like think about how I would want it to be styled. But this skirt makes me feel so good. I feel like it is so flattering. I absolutely love this, like the slit right here. I was a little worried that it might be a little too much like va va boom, but I honestly love it, and I just feel it's comfortable. I feel good in it. I can't even say enough things. I just think it is so cute, and I cannot recommend the skirt like enough. Definitely recommend, definitely love the skirt. I don't even want to take it off. Ugh, okay, I'm so happy now. I'm happy. Next, we have, oh, another one of these cute little shirts. Okay, I really like these. I forgot I literally don't remember what I ordered. This is great. But it's like a little Polaroid shirt, and I thought it was so cute, and it's like a little crop top. I really like this. I don't know. I just was really into the look of it, and I thought it'd be really cute and easy to wear again, like around the house in sweatpants, or if I wanted to go out. It's just simple, and I'm about it. So let's go ahead and try this one on. Perfect. I literally put the sweatpants back on so that way I could get the vibe, because I literally think this is how I'd be wearing it if I went out or went around the house. I think it's really cute. It's definitely a little bit more cropped than that last one that I tried on, but this is like a size smaller, so I think this one's a large, and then the other USA American one was a extra large, but I think this one fits really well too, and it's just like a little extra cropped, but I mean, I think it's still really cute. I don't know, I guess I'm going for this like easy wear black all the time vibe, because that's what's happening. I really like it, and I feel cute in it. I like it. Would recommend. Of course I did. I got something leopard. Of course I did. Not even leopard, snake print. I'm really into the prints. Oh, what is this material? Little mini skirt, and it is a snakeskin print, but the material of it is like a very like suede-ish type of material, which kind of catches me off guard, but like I like it. So if this fits, I think this could be really cute. We don't know if it's gonna fit, so let's go ahead and try it on. So I changed the shirt so I could get like a really accurate, like would I actually wear this or not. If I'm being 100% completely honest, I don't see myself wearing this skirt, and I actually really love it, and I think it's really cute, but I feel like if it's not, it doesn't fit for me. Like I feel like I wish it was like, it would go up higher, so that means I wish it was a little bit tinier for me, but honestly with Romwe and their skirts, it's usually it works or it doesn't work. And I just feel like with this one, it definitely doesn't work, because I would have to hold it or like sew it or do something with it. But the material of it, I definitely would recommend. For me, if you're like my size, then I would not recommend this skirt. Wow. Wow, girl. Look, wait, did I accidentally? Okay, you know what I think happened? Or maybe I ordered both. So I think I had a feeling this skirt wouldn't fit, and so I decided to get the cheaper version. Is this a skirt? I'm very confused now. I don't remember if I did this on purpose or not. Ooh, but the material I like. Okay, so let's see if, oh, are you see-through though? Girl, this might be see-through. Okay, let's see if this one fits. I feel like this has a stretchy waistband. I didn't even realize I ordered both of these. I would, so no big deal. But let's see if this one fits a little bit better, which I definitely think it would. And I kind of feel like I like the vibrancy of this print a little bit more than this snake print. So, okay, give me 1 second. Let me try it on. Okay, so obviously I thought ahead and didn't even realize it. This is the second skirt. I like this one way better. So I guess I need to stick to waistbands that are stretchy on Romwe and not the zipper ones. Somehow I already knew this. I literally don't know what I was doing when I ordered this because I don't remember anything. But I really like this skirt, and it definitely has like a different material also, like different than the last one I showed you, but also like a very like suede-y material. I like it. I think this is cute, and I think that I would definitely wear this one over the last skirt, and I actually think this one's cheaper if I do remember correctly. So yes, I like this. My bad. Lippy thought ahead. Let's just dive into the next item. The last item, obviously this is very bright and not the look that we were going for with all the other things. This is really cute. It has stars on it, and I think it's a dress or a romper or something. I just remember liking the print. Please be cute. Please be cute. Oh, I think it's like a little wrap dress. How do I wear these? Okay, give me a second to play around with this. I think it's a little wrap dress, and I think it has potential to be super cute. So give me 1 second to figure it out. Okay guys, so this is the dress, and if I'm being completely honest, I feel so vulnerable in this dress because I definitely feel like it's one of those dresses where like people will look at you just because it is such a bright red, and I don't own anything like this and I don't know how I feel, so hence me awkwardly standing here, don't know what to do. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I really love the star details and the ruffles of it, but I don't know if it's like necessarily flattering on me or not, so that's where I need y'all's help to see if it was like something you recommend or not. When it comes to comfort, it's not the most comfortable thing in the world, but it's not uncomfortable. It's just like it is what it is because of the material of like what it's made out of. But I mean, this is what it looks like. This is like actually crazy. It is literally so bright and I don't know how to react. And yep, I want to go get back into my sweatpants, but like I might actually want to wear it out. I don't know. This is cute. I like it, I think. Okay, so for this part of the video, I got a bunch of accessories when it came to like belts, jewelry, hair things, tights. So if you guys are interested in watching this part of it, keep on watching. Okay, let's start with these because I think they're so cute. They're floral tights. I don't know how I'm gonna wear this or what I'm gonna be doing, but I think it's really cute. Let's see if we can get it out of the packaging. I thought it'd be really cute with maybe like a black skirt or a black shirt, just a little spice to an outfit. So I decided to get some tights. I also decided to get some hair accessories. Okay, this looks cheap, so let's open it up and see. It is like this velvet leopard type of hair thing. So let me see if I can put this in my hair and let's see what it looks like. Honestly, I'm not even gonna pretend like I know how to put it on. It's just gonna take way too long, but it looks kind of like not good. But this is what it looks like. I mean, I think it honestly does have potential. It's just one of those things where I really need to put it on properly and not as ratchetly as I did. But it's just like a little leopard headband. So this is actually something I've been wanting to wear for the longest time, and it's like a hair scarf. And yes, okay, it has like a little ponytail thing to it. So I can put my hair in a ponytail. We'll do like a low one just for this purpose. And it has like the little scarves attached to it. Isn't that cute? Okay, I really, really like that. This is so cute. I might wear this tonight. Okay, I like. Definitely needed some socks, so we got some socks, and they look really cute and they're really cheap, so we got a pack of those. I also got 2 belts, and they look really, oh, oops, something fell. They look kind of like they might be a little bit too big for me, but we got one snake one and one leopard one. So the leopard one is kind of like a little fuzzy material. Oh, and the material of this one's pretty cool too. Okay, not bad, Romwe. I think these are glasses. Little tortoiseshell sunglasses. Hopefully they look good on. They do feel like a little cheap, but let's try them on. This is what they look like. I think I like these. I think they're just really cute and like very easy to accessorize with. Everything looks yellow, but I mean, these are really, really cute and I like them. And again, they have like the tortoiseshell print. Okay, now everything that we have left is jewelry. So, first of all, look how big these earrings are. Let me take them out of the package. This is what the earrings look like. They're really, really big, so I don't know if I can get away with wearing these at work. They might be a little distracting, but I mean, maybe one day if I want to go out. These are really cute. Okay, these I think I could definitely wear to work and it'd be really cute. They are a little bit big, but I don't know, there's something about them that I really like. They're just gold. I had a couple chokers, so I ordered 2 of these because I had one of these before and they broke, and like with cheap jewelry, you just kind of want to be careful. but they're literally just star chokers. Oh yeah, so cute. It's literally just a star choker, and I got 2 in gold, and I actually got 1 in silver. Apparently, I also got a moon necklace. This is what this necklace looks like. It has a moon at the very bottom, but it also has 1 star. I thought this would be cute to somehow wear, and I know I have like a busy shirt on, so it's really hard to tell. But this is what the necklace looks like, and I really like it. 1 more necklace left, and I feel like you can find these like literally at an arts and crafts fair. Like, it's such a simple necklace, but it is a black and gold choker that has beads on it, and it's just very, very simple. Like, I feel like I can find this in India, like an Indian jewelry store, like so quickly, so easily, for literally like the same price. It's just a very cute like go-to choker that I really liked. Okay, so I think this is the end of our Romwe haul unboxing first impression. Let me know what your favorite item that I tried on was, or let me know your opinions about the items that I was like, ooh, I don't know about this. And let me know if you like the accessories part of it, if I should be ordering more accessories when I do these hauls, and if you guys are interested in it. But yeah, that's basically about it. I hope everyone has an amazing day, week, whatever, but until next time, I will see you then. Bye guys!